how to loop YouTube videos on mobile. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can loop a YouTube video on your mobile. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight to the video. On the YouTube app, here I get a song open. If I skip the video till the end and play, you will notice that it just stops there. If I want to just repeat after it ends, let me show you how. So you got right here the video or song. You can see here just below the video this save button. If you click that, it will add the video to a playlist. You don't want that, so click on change. Now click here on the new playlist. I will call this loop and make sure it is on private. So that video is now on specific playlist. Let us close this video and go here on the library on the bottom right. So we can see here the loop playlist you just created. Here is the video we have saved. If you click on the play button, here it opens up the video. Now what we want to do is click in here and it opens up this menu. We can see right here the loop button. Just click on it and your video will repeat. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.